Hello everyone and welcome back to your own channel Crypto Guy. On this channel I always tell you how to make money via cryptocurrency and also update you from the latest news of Bitcoin, altcoin and also their technical analysis. So what just happened last night? It was a flash crash. Here you can see on 4-hour chart Bitcoin just dumped and it come until 51,000, and also you can see that there is also bloodbath also in the altcoin space. And if you haven't liked my channel, please go there, give a like, comment and subscribe it. And in this video we're going to tell about, is this panic selling is over or is just getting started? So let's check it out. Okay, so as everybody know that there was a flash crash few hours ago and Bitcoin just collapsed and we was at about 61 and we just came until 51, so it almost like $10,000 candle. Oh my god. Ethereum, it was about 25, we hit about from 2600 or 25, we came back until 2500 crash. And that's the thing, actually wherever the Bitcoin goes, altcoin also follows. If you see that there is all bloodbath, is this the panic selling? Is this some news? Because I heard some people saying on Twitter that there are some investigations start going on, some bigger institution who are using cryptocurrency, so that can be the impact of that. But instead of Dogecoin, everything is in bloodbath. Look at Cardano is in 3.1. Polkadot, Litecoin, and Litecoin was trading above 320. Bitcoin Cash was trading about 1100 and now 800. Everything crashed. So this is the thing I'm always telling you guys, that you always have to pay attention that Bitcoin and Ethereum is always a safe bet. Whatever down under it, it's risky. It can give you tremendous gain in the short term, but in long term it will not hold. So you have to be very careful and have to be Bitcoin maximum or Ethereum, and the rest you can just play with altcoin and take profit whenever. Here you can see everything is bloodbath, but this is also a good opportunity to buy. For example, if you believe in very good project like Neo, it's already been down, this is the opportunity to buy. For example, if you believe in Monero, this is the opportunity to buy the dip, and then you can see like what's happened. If you believe in Binance Coin, that this is a alternative for Ethereum, this is the good point to buy the dip and then just sell it high. Okay, so let's start with technical analysis of Bitcoin US dollar. As everybody knows that until last night we was trading about like 62,000, and then we just have a flash crash. We having start crashes about 60,600 and then from 58 to 51. So it's almost like if you go from top to the bottom, it's like more than 10,000 one daily candle. That's gonna be very normal in the future. And here you can see that RSI was like leveled down and from there it start rising. So if you have bought the dip, you already been profit here. Let's go and watch on 4-hour chart. Mostly this is a time frame where I trade mostly. Here you can see that we have been bullish above this 20 weekly movie having, but whenever we fell down, we start becoming bearish, and here you can see that bearish scenario plays out very well, and it's been liquidated. About 10 billion, 9.4 billion longs are liquidated in total, and that's what happened when you do play high leverages. And I always tell you that you put a stop loss, and here you can say it comes under 51 and then it's suddenly came up. Even if you have long it here, you already been up a lot. But here you can see this is a point to long it when the RSI was like bottom up at 18, almost 19, and from there like 53 to 54 you already been up. And here you can see that the bullish diversion is start getting less. I think people are start getting settled down, and now we can go up until 59 easily. But here we can see a big resistance as well. People are start buying it back, bulls are back, bears have done their work. We can go back easily until, and here you can see that, but the narrative is sell. The gains for 1 month we just lost in one day, but if you have bought before that 1 month, you're already in profit. So that's the thing about Bitcoin, that if you haven't have any Bitcoin, you just start buying it No matter what's the price, just start buying 10, $50, $100, $1,000, whatever you can afford, and start buying right now. But if you already have it, then you can start playing with that. If we go on 1 day chart, here I want to tell you that here we can see some bearish divergence start coming up. RSI is going down, which is a good sign. It can take some time with the sideways, and we can go a little bit like for a few more days. But the important thing which I want to share it here on weekly, that here we can start seeing the bearish divergence. So after this there can be some red candles, and there's a very big possibility that we can come until 44,000 or 45,000, and that will be a healthy correction for Bitcoin, and that will make Bitcoin ready to go even to the moon more easily. So even if we come back until 45, 46, because this line is also going up, it's like $500 per day. So if we take like 5 days to come back, we're already at 47. So we can easily come until 45 to $47, but we have to keep an eye in upcoming days. But here I can tell you that we have started seeing on MACD a little bit bearish divergence. And also if you can see it here, we can also make this kind of chart, and this is also like falling wedge, and that mostly can be a bearish scenario, and we can just fall back from there as well. So in the long run we are totally fine. In the short term, yeah, we can be bearish, but we can, the key level which I want to see is like 45, and on the top we have resistance about something about 57 to 60,000. So these are the things we have to keep an eye on. Let's move to some technical analysis of Ethereum. Let's start with 1 hour chart. If we go on 1 hour, and here you can see that it was trading about like 2500 and start coming back. We hit 23, we have a little bit up, and from there 24 we have a flash crash until almost 2000 US dollar. Ethereum was 2000, and just 1 day ago it was trading at 26 almost. So this is a crypto, but here you can see on 1 hour we have been bottoming up. So here I can see some sideways action, and you can easily come and touch 2200, and but 1 month we are still in profit, and 1 week we are a little bit in loss, but that's totally normal. This is a healthy pullback and it's neutral, so that's a good thing. I mean, we can easily go up until 100 more, and we can check this resistance of 2200. If we go on 4 hour chart, and you see it here, that here we can start seeing some bearish diversion, but now we are settling in. People are, the FUD is over, the dump is over, people are not worried about it, it's getting settled down, and we have to see what the market will bring up in upcoming days. But here I can see that the price will start going up. At least we can easily go on the 23, 22, and that will be a big resistance, and then we have to see. But on 1 hour chart we already have lower than 20 weekly moving average. That's a bearish sign, and here you can see that we have, it goes up green, then we have light greens, and then it start going. So I think here we can see more some red, and then we can come up. So we can easily come until 1500, 1600. I would say that this we can easily come and test it, and we are still in a bull run. But if we fell down after 1500, that's gonna be a alarming situation for Ethereum as well. And for one altcoin I can talk about ADA, Cardano. Here you can see that Cardano was all-time high was 1.55, and from there we come back. That's just 20 weekly moving average. Then we go up, we come back, we fall down. 20 weekly moving average is act like a resistance. We go up, we come down, and here we have a flash crash, and we was almost like 0.93, and now we are already up until 1.9. So I think it's a good opportunity to buy Cardano, and this is the opportunity to sell it again at 1.34 in a short term. And if you go also on 1 hour chart, you can also see that this is a resistance 1.2, and on 1 day chart we've already been falling down, and we came until here, it's 100 weekly moving average. So for Cardano to coming back on 0.77 is very likely. If we go and see about XRP as well, and you can see on 4 hour chart, that XRP up almost about 2, and then we have a flash crash, and now we are going down. And on 1 day chart we already been touching, so this can be a good spot for XRP on 1.2. I mean, this is a good point to buy. I'm not saying it's a buy, it's not a financial advice, but according to the technical analysis this can be a good spot, and from there we can go up. But if we break down this 1.2 level, then we have to come about 0.5, so keep in mind in that. And also accept Dogecoin. I mean, Dogecoin have run a lot, but definitely a 360% in 7 days, and I definitely not recommend to buy that. But this is the thing, guys, the Bitcoin, Ethereum is a sure bet, but the rest are just altcoins. I mean, you can swing them, you can make some profit, and maybe this is the time to take profit, or just maybe buy a day because you not have any edge. But Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're always good to accommodate, and even after 1 year you will not even remember this what happened here. So I think that's all for today. Be safe there out there, and keep looking, keep buying, keep stacking Bitcoin and Ethereum. And don't forget to give me a like, shout out, comment, subscribe it, and tell me what kind of videos you like to see, like top coin video for 2021, pancake swap, or something else. So until that, take care, be safe, and bye bye.